Hello friends, welcome back to my channel English with Bhupendra. I hope you everyone doing great and everyone doing practice so that you will be fluent in English language. My dear friends, how we can do everything everyday practice so that you will you will nearby your destiny and you will put hard work so that you will achieve your ambition goals and become something. Okay, so my dear friends, sometimes we also feel demotivate, but it's happen everyone whenever we are we are doing great, we are doing new things. At that time it's happen, it will be happen everyone. So friends, don't don't care about mistake, don't care about that types of things, because if you are thinking a lot of your bad thoughts, bad thinking, so at that time you will be feel demotivate. And so my dear friends, uh, where you are do practice, where you should do practice so that you will be fluent in English language. My dear friends, you should do practice at alone, uh, in in the ground, where no one is available, so that you will be speak easily without any interruption and without any hesitation without. So my dear friends, why you are waiting for someone? You don't wait for someone, only you can do practice, you can make your destiny. No one can make your destiny, and only you will do constantly practice so that you will be become fluent, you will be addicted of learning English language. My dear friends, it is a strange language, so that whenever we are doing practice, it's happen at that time some words and vocabularies will not come our mind. It's happen everybody, and also it's happen uh, mine, and I facing a lot of problem. And so my dear friends, you will deal with your problems, with your hesitation, shyness, and uh, behind behind any mistake. So my dear friends, uh, you will not wait, you you do further, and you will not do further delay. And so that if you are waiting for, and you are you are getting further delay, so you will not become perfect, and you will not achieving something. So my dear friends, you don't remember, you don't keep, you are doing mistake and you are not doing mistake. You should not think about, think like that. It's happen everybody. And so my dear friends, where you can do practice so that you will be fluent, and which types of thinking so that while speaking suddenly and usually many words will come, and we can speak easily without any mistake, without any delay. And my dear friends, you choose your topic, and so that so that you will speak fluently without interruption and without broken sentence, without procrastinate, and whenever whenever you will speak, and you will broke you will broken your sentence, you will forget suddenly. And but my dear friends, after doing a lot of practice, after doing hard work, you will doing consistently practice every day at least 1 hour, then you will find changes on your brain, and your vocal cords, tongues and mouth will have a lot of practice, and you will be familiar of those words, and you will able to pronunciate, you will be remember easily of those sentence and structures easily. My dear friends, middle of journey, because I was doing practice uh, since 3 months, and after having a lot of practice, I have found so many problems and so many changes, so many difficulties, and also now we have facing a lot of problems. But my dear friends, in anyhow condition, we want to learn English language. We want to become fluent in English language so that we can speak in front of anybody, and I will explore our knowledge, idea, and our knowledge power to someone, and to our boss, to our employer, so that uh, after after evaluation, after KPA, our performance evaluation time, we can explore our performance easily from them to them, so that we can easily calculate and evaluate our knowledge, and we arise a question from them, how we can grow, how we can increase our money, increase our salary, our growth, how we will evaluate. So it is must to learn English language. Friends, it will be might be happen mistake everybody, but you don't think too much about the mistake. You will do practice a lot, continuously. You will think, you will think, and you will keep your mind positive thoughts, and you will get motivated from your positive thoughts and from your goals, because you have set beautiful goals, and you will achieve your destiny by own self. Only someone will give suggestion, someone will guide, someone will someone will get guide, and you will only make your destiny, make your future. How how much you can achieve, you will decide. No one can decide you, okay? Right? So my dear friends, every day, without missed one single day, you should do practice a lot. Whatever problems comes, whatever problem comes, you don't mind. Only you should do practice and practice, because practice man is the perfect on the earth. everyone become successful who has behind a behind too much hard work. No, we cannot see, but behind so much hard work, and I can also do hard work for my destiny, for my goals. My dear friends, nowadays many people many people want to speak English language, but they cannot speak. They can give up. They cannot speak. They will give up after some time. They do practice. They want to speak English language, but uh, a lot of lack of hard work, lack of practice, they will, after a couple of days, they will get demotivated and they will give up their journey. My dear friends, only some person will achieve, some person will achieve their goals. So my dear friends, you don't think you can achieve anything because you have a beautiful, you have strong brain, genius brain. God has given unlimited GB data on your on your brain, and you can store so many data, so many languages on your mind. My dear friends, because at that time I was thinking I could not achieve, I could not learn English language, my dear friends. But at that time I did not able to speak English language even one sentence. But my dear friends, for myself, for mine, it it has miracle for us, and because I am consistently, I have patience, I have do I have doing hard work, I have done hard work, and so my dear friends, it's happened only by hard work, only by practice, and you will not feel agitated during speaking. It's happened, but you do practice. Whatever you have knowledge, whatever you looking, whatever you have listened, whatever, after listening, after reading, and after watching something, you should explore from those things, from those content which you have listened, which you have reading and listening. Okay, my dear friends, if you will doing practice, if you should do practice every day, after couple of months, you should you will addict, your mouth and your brain will addict from addict for thinking from those content, those English language, and you will able to speak easily anywhere and anytime. Even when you sleep, at that time only dream will come in English language. My dear friends, I'm truly telling you, it was having for me, and after doing hard work, now I can speak easily, I can understand, and only nowadays within 3 months only I listen in English